Are you struggling to know what to do with your scoliosis? Maybe you've looked online and you've seen a lot of different options. You've joined support groups and had people suggest things that you should do for your scoliosis, but you're still not sure what to do next. Well, I have a good solution for you. Here at my clinic in Lehi, Utah, we have a few different options to help you decide what to do next for your scoliosis. The one that I'm excited about is on May 9th at 10 a.m. We're going to be doing a workshop titled Staying Ahead of the Curve, Exploring Scoliosis Treatment Options. And I'm really excited to share this in person for those who can make it to the clinic. And we're also doing this as YouTube Live. So if you can't make it to the in-person workshop, this will be streamed live here on YouTube, and you can get some instruction on what treatment options there are and which ones may be the best for you. The hard part about deciding what to do for scoliosis treatment is that everyone's curve is different. We have to think about multiple things: what your age is, what your growth potential is, what size your curve is, what flexibility you have, all these different things. And it can be really a challenge to figure out what your specific curve needs. And sometimes I see in support groups, especially, that everyone has their opinion. Bracing doesn't work, or Schroth doesn't work, or you should wait and see, or you should do surgery, you shouldn't do surgery. There's so many opinions. With that many opinions, what should you decide? That's what this workshop is about, helping you learn how to decide what treatment options are right for you. So I would love for you to join us on our YouTube Live on May 9th. You can post comments, you can put questions. We'll try and address the questions that are there. One of the reasons I'm really excited about this is just before this workshop, I will be attending what's called SOSORT. SOSORT is an international research community all about scoliosis conservative treatment. So Schroth therapists are there, orthotists are there, surgeons are there, researchers, physicians, all these come together, and we go over the research that there is on scoliosis and what we should be doing with our patients. This year it's in Italy, so I will be fresh off the plane from Italy the day before the workshop on May 9th. So hopefully jet lag doesn't set in too much, but I guarantee you'll get something out of this workshop. So I would love for you to join us on May 9th for the workshop. If you can't and you would like to come in person to the clinic, I would love to see you for what's called a discovery visit. You could come in and we can sit down and talk about your curve specifically. I know that not everyone lives close enough to Lehi to do that. So I also have a free report that you can download that I'm going to put in the description below. You can download that free report, and you can also, once you get that free report, you can send us an email and we can look at other ways that we can work with you and help you to make those crucial decisions about your spine and your curve. So I'm excited about this workshop. I'm excited to learn more prior to this workshop and bring that to this workshop so that I can help you to make better decisions for your scoliosis curve, or your child's scoliosis curve, or your parents' scoliosis curve. So this isn't just for those that have scoliosis. This is anyone who cares about those that have scoliosis as well. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you on May 9th at our workshop, either online or in person. And if nothing else, hopefully you get some information that you can act on and do something about your curve. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.